Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know I'm a huge advocate for building long-term wealth through real estate. But I also know that getting started in real estate can feel super intimidating. There are so many moving parts and it's easy to get overwhelmed by the risks. That's why in this video, I'm breaking down my top strategies for stress-free real estate investing. We're talking about actionable steps you can take to build that real estate portfolio with confidence and ease. So let's jump right in. One of the biggest mistakes I see new investors make is trying to go too big, too fast. They get caught up in the allure of high returns and forget the risks involved. They want to jump into those flashy deals they see online, thinking they'll get rich quick. The glitz and glamour of high-end properties can be very tempting, but it's important to remember that these deals often come with high stakes and significant risks. But trust me, the best way to avoid unnecessary stress and potential losses is to start small and scale gradually. Starting small allows you to get a feel for the market, understand the nuances of property management, and build a solid foundation for future investments. Think of it like building a skyscraper. You need a strong foundation before you can even think about adding those top floors. Without a solid base, the entire structure is at risk of collapsing. The same principle applies to real estate investing. So, instead of aiming for that massive apartment complex right off the bat, why not start with a single-family rental home or a duplex? These types of properties are more manageable and provide a great starting point for new investors. These smaller properties require a lower initial investment, which significantly reduces the financial pressure. Lower investment means lower risk, and it allows you to learn the ropes without the fear of losing a large sum of money. It's like dipping your toes into the real estate pool instead of doing a cannonball. You get to test the waters, understand the market dynamics, and gradually build your confidence. Plus, managing a smaller property is way simpler. You won't be overwhelmed by the complexities that come with larger properties, and you can focus on providing excellent service to your tenants. You'll have fewer tenants to deal with, fewer maintenance headaches, and you can really take your time to learn the ropes of being a landlord. This hands-on experience is invaluable as you gain confidence and knowledge to scale up your investments later on. As you become more comfortable and knowledgeable, you can start to explore larger and more complex investments. The experience you gain from managing smaller properties will be crucial in making informed decisions and avoiding costly mistakes. Additionally, starting small allows you to build a network of contacts in the real estate industry. You can attend seminars, join local real estate groups, and learn from the experiences of others. This network will be invaluable as you scale up your investments. Educate yourself continuously. Read books, take courses, and stay updated with market trends. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better prepared you'll be to handle larger investments. Remember, real estate investing is a marathon, not a sprint. By starting small and scaling up gradually, you'll build a strong foundation for long-term success. Celebrate your small wins, learn from your mistakes, and keep moving forward. In the end, the goal is to create a sustainable and profitable real estate portfolio. Starting small and scaling up big is the best strategy to achieve this. So take that first step, start small, and watch your investments grow over time. Now you've probably heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Well, that couldn't be more true when it comes to real estate investing. The real estate market is vast and varied, offering numerous opportunities but also presenting various risks. Diversification is key to minimizing risk and maximizing your chances of long-term success. By spreading your investments across different types of properties and locations, you can protect yourself from market volatility. Think about it. If all your investments are concentrated in one property type or location, and something goes wrong, like an economic downturn or a natural disaster, your entire portfolio could be at risk. This is why it's crucial to diversify. That's a recipe for sleepless nights, right? No one wants to be up all night worrying about their investments. Instead, spread your investments across different property types. This way, if one sector underperforms, the others can help balance your portfolio. You could explore residential rentals, commercial properties, or even vacation rentals. Each of these property types has its own unique set of benefits and challenges. Each has its own set of advantages and risks, so diversifying helps balance things out. For instance, residential properties might offer steady rental income, while commercial properties could provide higher returns. And don't limit yourself to just one location. The real estate market can vary greatly from one region to another, Look beyond your backyard and consider investing in different cities or states, especially those with strong growth potential. Researching and understanding the local market conditions can give you an edge. This geographical diversification adds another layer of security to your portfolio. By investing in multiple locations, you can mitigate the risks associated with any single market downturn. Networking with other investors and attending real estate seminars can also provide valuable insights and opportunities. Learning from others' experiences can help you make more informed decisions. Diversification isn't just a strategy, it's a mindset. It's about being proactive and prepared for whatever the market throws your way. By diversifying, you can build a more resilient and profitable real estate portfolio. So remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your real estate investments to achieve long-term success and peace of mind. The power of passive income. If you're looking for truly stress-free real estate investing, prioritize strategies that generate passive income. This means putting your money to work for you, even while you're sleeping, working your 9 to 5, or, enjoying life. One great option is investing in real estate investment trusts, or REITs. REITs are like mutual funds for real estate. They allow you to invest in a portfolio of income-generating properties without the hassle of being a landlord. You're basically letting the pros handle the day-to-day operations while you sit back and collect those sweet dividends. Another way to achieve passive income is by partnering with a reputable property management company. They take care of everything: finding tenants, collecting rent, handling maintenance, for a percentage of the rental income. It's like having a personal assistant for your real estate investments, freeing up your time and mental energy. Tech up your real estate game. We live in a digital age, and real estate investing is no exception. Embrace the power of technology to streamline your investments and make your life a whole lot easier. There are tons of incredible apps and online tools that can help you manage your properties, analyze market trends, and make smarter investment decisions. For example, property management apps like Zillow Rental Manager or Appfolio can automate tasks like rent collection, maintenance requests, and tenant communication. This means no more chasing down late rent checks or dealing with those 3 a.m. plumbing emergencies. On the market analysis side, platforms like Zillow, Redfin, and Realtor.com provide a wealth of data on property values, rental rates, and neighborhood trends. Use these tools to your advantage to identify promising investment opportunities and make data-driven decisions. Build your real estate dream team. Real estate investing doesn't have to be a solo mission. While it might seem like a solitary endeavor at first, the truth is that the most successful investors often have a strong team behind them. This team provides the support, expertise, and resources needed to navigate the complexities of the real estate market. In fact, surrounding yourself with a reliable support network can make all the difference in reducing stress and maximizing your returns. A well-rounded team can help you identify opportunities, avoid pitfalls, and streamline your investment process. Think of it like building your own real estate dream team. This team should consist of professionals who bring different skills and perspectives to the table, ensuring that all aspects of your investment are covered. First and foremost, connect with experienced real estate agents who specialize in investment properties. These agents are invaluable because they have their fingers on the pulse of the market, know how to spot great deals, and can guide you through the entire buying and selling process. They can provide insights into market trends, help you understand the true value of a property, and negotiate deals on your behalf. Their expertise can save you time and money, and help you avoid costly mistakes. Next, find a trustworthy real estate attorney who can review contracts, handle legal matters, and protect your interests. Real estate transactions involve a lot of legal paperwork, and having an attorney on your team ensures that everything is in order and that your rights are protected. And don't forget about the financial gurus. A skilled financial advisor can help you create a solid investment strategy, secure financing, and optimize your tax situation. They can provide guidance on how to structure your investments to maximize returns and minimize risks. Financial advisors can also help you plan for the future, ensuring that your investments align with your long-term financial goals. They can assist with budgeting, cash flow management, and retirement planning, making sure that your real estate investments contribute to your overall financial well-being. Remember, you don't have to be a real estate expert in every single area. By leveraging the expertise of these professionals, you can focus on what you do best, making smart investment decisions and growing your wealth. Collaboration is key in real estate investing. By working with a team of experts, you can tap into their knowledge and experience, making your investment journey smoother and more successful. So take the time to build your real estate dream team and watch your investments thrive. Invest smart, live stress-free. So there you have it, my top strategies for stress-free real estate investing. Remember, building wealth through real estate is a marathon, not a sprint. By starting small, diversifying your portfolio, prioritizing passive income, leveraging technology, and building a strong support network, you can create a solid foundation for long-term success without sacrificing your peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more real estate investing tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Until next time, invest wisely and stay stress-free.